When Ben Affleck was cast as Batman in Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice, fans knew a transformation was in order. Affleck, known for his lean physique, needed to embody the Dark Knight's powerful presence. This meant packing on muscle and sculpting a physique worthy of Gotham's protector. Affleck embraced the challenge, embarking on a rigorous fitness journey to become the Batman. Affleck's transformation wasn't just about looking the part, it was about embodying the character's strength and resilience. He understood that Batman's physique is a testament to his unwavering dedication and his commitment to justice. At the start of his transformation, Ben Affleck weighed approximately 198 pounds. This was a decent weight for someone of his height and build, but it was not enough for the role he was about to undertake. Playing Batman required a level of physicality and presence that demanded more muscle mass and a leaner physique. With an estimated body fat percentage of 13%, Affleck was in relatively good shape. However, to embody the Dark Knight, he needed to push his body to new limits. The goal was not just to look strong, but to be strong, agile, and capable of performing the demanding stunts and action sequences that the role required. While he was in relatively good shape, he was far from the imposing figure required for Batman. The transformation would be a journey of intense physical training and strict dietary changes. Affleck had to mentally prepare himself for the grueling process ahead, knowing that the end result would be worth the effort. His goal was to gain significant muscle mass while maintaining a low body fat percentage. This meant lifting heavy weights, focusing on compound movements, and ensuring that every workout was pushing his limits. The training regimen was designed to build strength, endurance, and muscle definition. This meant a complete overhaul of his training and nutrition. Affleck had to follow a strict diet plan that included high protein intake, balanced with the right amount of carbohydrates and fats. Meal prepping became a crucial part of his routine, ensuring that he had the right fuel for his intense workouts. Affleck's target weight was 220 pounds, with a body fat percentage below 10%. Achieving this would not only make him look the part, but also ensure that he had the physical capabilities to perform the role effectively. The transformation was about more than just aesthetics, it was about becoming Batman in every sense. This ambitious goal required a carefully crafted plan and unwavering dedication. Affleck worked closely with personal trainers and nutritionists to ensure that every aspect of his transformation was optimized. The support and expertise of his team were crucial in helping him stay on track and make consistent progress. It was time to step into the Batcave of training and nutrition. The journey was challenging, but with determination and the right guidance, Affleck was ready to transform into the iconic superhero. The road ahead was tough, but the reward of becoming Batman made every drop of sweat worth it. Affleck's workout regimen was intense, focusing on heavy weightlifting and high-intensity cardio. He trained 5 to 6 days a week, targeting different muscle groups each day. His workouts emphasized compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, known for building overall strength and mass. In addition to weightlifting, Affleck incorporated high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into his routine. HIIT workouts involving short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods are highly effective for burning fat and improving cardiovascular fitness. Affleck's dedication to this grueling routine was key to his remarkable transformation. Affleck's diet was as crucial as his workout regimen in achieving his Batman physique. To transform into the iconic superhero, he needed to follow a meticulously planned diet that complemented his intense training sessions. This meant not only focusing on what he ate, but also when and how much he consumed. His diet was designed to maximize muscle growth, enhance recovery, and maintain high energy levels throughout the day. He consumed a protein-rich, calorie-controlled diet designed to fuel muscle growth and promote fat loss. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and Affleck's diet included a variety of protein sources to ensure he got all the necessary amino acids. His meals were carefully planned and prepped to ensure he stayed on track with his nutritional goals. His daily caloric intake hovered around 4,000 calories, carefully balanced between protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This balance was crucial to provide the energy needed for his grueling workouts while also supporting muscle growth and recovery. Each meal was designed to provide a specific ratio of macronutrients, ensuring that his body had a steady supply of fuel throughout the day. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and egg whites were staples in Affleck's diet, providing the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. These protein sources are not only rich in essential amino acids, but also low in fat, making them ideal for a lean physique. Affleck's diet also included a variety of other protein sources to keep his meals interesting and nutritious. He also consumed complex carbohydrates like brown rice and sweet potatoes for sustained energy levels. Complex carbs are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy that helps maintain blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. These carbs were an essential part of his diet, especially before and after workouts, to ensure he had the energy needed to perform at his best. Healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts rounded out his diet, aiding in hormone production and overall health. Fats are essential for the absorption of certain vitamins and minerals, and they also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and hair. By including a variety of healthy fats in his diet, Affleck ensured that his body had all the nutrients it needed to function optimally. In addition to his solid meals, Affleck also incorporated protein shakes and supplements to meet his nutritional needs. These shakes provided a convenient and quick source of protein, especially post-workout when his muscles needed immediate nourishment. His diet was a perfect blend of whole foods and supplements, ensuring he got the best of both worlds. Affleck's commitment to his diet was unwavering. He worked closely with a nutritionist to tailor his diet to his specific needs and goals. This personalized approach ensured that every aspect of his diet was optimized for his performance and physique. His dedication to both his diet and training regimen is a testament to the hard work and discipline required to transform into Batman. Section 5. Overcoming Kryptonite Challenges on Affleck's journey. Affleck's transformation wasn't without its challenges. Balancing his demanding filming schedule with his intense workout regimen required discipline and careful planning. He often had to train late at night or early in the morning, pushing through fatigue and finding ways to stay motivated. There were also dietary temptations to resist. Maintaining a strict diet while on set, surrounded by catering and craft services, tested his willpower. However, Affleck remained committed to his goal, viewing each challenge as an opportunity to prove his dedication to becoming Batman. Section 6. A hero emerges. Affleck's transformation results. After months of intense training and strict dieting, Affleck emerged with a physique worthy of the Caped Crusader. His journey was not just about lifting weights or following a diet, it was a complete lifestyle overhaul. Every day, he committed to grueling workouts that pushed his body to the limit. His diet was meticulously planned, ensuring he got the right balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates to fuel his transformation. He had gained over 20 pounds of lean muscle mass, transforming his physique into a symbol of power and athleticism. This wasn't just about looking good on screen, it was about embodying the strength and resilience of the character he was set to portray. Each muscle was a testament to hours of hard work and dedication. His body fat percentage plummeted to an impressive 8%, showcasing his chiseled muscles and defined physique. This level of fitness is not easily achieved and requires a combination of rigorous training and strict dietary discipline. His abs in particular became a focal point, representing the peak of physical conditioning. Affleck's transformation wasn't just physical, it was a testament to his mental fortitude and unwavering dedication. The mental challenges of such a transformation are often overlooked, but they are just as demanding as the physical ones. Staying motivated, overcoming plateaus, and pushing through fatigue require immense mental strength. He had pushed his limits, embraced the challenge, and emerged as a real-life embodiment of the superhero he portrayed. His journey serves as an inspiration to many, showing that with determination and hard work, incredible transformations are possible. Affleck's dedication to his role and his transformation is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when one sets their mind to it. Section 7. The Bat Signal shines on dedication and consistency. Affleck's journey to becoming Batman highlights the transformative power of dedication and consistency. It demonstrates that remarkable results are attainable with unwavering commitment, even amidst demanding schedules and challenging circumstances. His transformation serves as an inspiration for anyone seeking to push their limits and achieve their fitness goals. Whether your goal is to build muscle, lose weight, or simply improve your overall fitness, Affleck's journey reminds us that consistency is key. It's about showing up day after day, even when it's tough, and trusting that the results will follow. Section 8. Affleck's transformation and inspiration for everyday heroes. While most of us may never don the cape and cowl, we can all draw inspiration from Affleck's dedication to becoming Batman. His journey reminds us that we all possess an inner strength and resilience that can be unleashed when we set our minds to a goal. Just like Batman fights for justice in Gotham, we all face our own battles, whether they're personal, professional, or physical. Affleck's transformation teaches us that with the right mindset and unwavering commitment, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve extraordinary things. Section 9. Beyond the Cape. Applying Affleck's lessons to your life. Affleck's Batman transformation offers valuable lessons that extend far beyond the realm of superhero movies. It teaches us about the importance of setting goals, embracing challenges, and remaining consistent in our efforts. Whether you're striving for a fitness goal, a career aspiration, or any other personal endeavor, remember the power of dedication and consistency. Like Affleck's transformation into Batman, your own journey may be challenging, but the rewards will be well worth the effort.